In this video, I'm going to show you how to hold and resume a call and how to activate Do Not Disturb on your Yealink T54 desk phone with your Universe communication system. You can place an active call on hold and then resume the call when you are ready. When you place the call on hold, they will hear the music on hold that has been set up by the administrator of your company's Universe system. Here a call is in progress on hands-free. During the active call, press the hold key. My caller is now on hold. To resume the held call, simply press the resume soft key. Do not disturb. Simply press the DND soft key when the phone is in idle to activate Do Not Disturb. To remove Do Not Disturb, press the DND soft key again. If you're using other devices such as soft phones or other desk phones, DND will need to be activated on these individually. You'll find more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information in the resources section of our website. Thank you for watching.